Welcome to Make Money Online 2025. Today, we're exploring the growing demand for voiceover services and how they can enhance your income potential. First up is Murf AI, an innovative platform known for its advanced features and capabilities that set it apart from traditional voiceover methods. Next, we have ElevenLabs, which offers powerful tools for voice synthesis and a user-friendly experience tailored for creators. Let's dive into the comparative analysis of the pricing models. Understanding the costs is crucial to making an informed decision. Quality and naturalness of the voice output are paramount. We'll compare how Murf AI and ElevenLabs stack up against each other. User experience plays a major role. Let's evaluate the ease of use and learning curve of both platforms. What sets Murf AI and ElevenLabs apart? Let's explore their distinctive selling points. Real-life case studies showcase how users have successfully leveraged these platforms for their voiceover needs. As we look ahead, understanding future trends in voiceover services can inform your earning potential. In conclusion, choosing the best voiceover service can significantly impact your ability to make money online. Let us help you decide.